Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to create this logo slash monogram in Adobe Illustrator. Now this tutorial is beginner friendly, so anyone with just general knowledge of Adobe Illustrator can follow through. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, now go to File, select New. Then I've selected 1000 by 1000 pixel with raster effects 300 ppi and click on Create. This will give us a new document. Now go to View and enable the Show Grid, and also make sure to have the Snap to Grid option enabled. Okay, now select the rectangle tool and select any point and make a square like this one. You can hold the shift button to make it square instead of rectangle. Now remove the fill and give it stroke of 0.5%, 0.5 point. Okay, now go to the rectangle tool again and hold it to get the ellipse tool. Now go to one end of the square and then make one circle. Now you can hold Alt and Shift, which will create the circle like this, and drag it towards the two edges of the square. Now select the circle and you can make a copy of it by Alt and dragging it. Now get this to this point here, then make another copy and place it here. Now another one. Okay, so when you have formed this type of shape, you can select them all and then rotate them. You can hold Shift to rotate it at perfect 90-degree angle. All right, now we have to remove the inside edges of these circles. So select them and you can go to Shape Builder tool here, and then if you click Alt and then click on any object, then it will remove it. So let's remove this one, then this one, also this one, and this one. Okay, now we also have to remove all the inside places of this square. So remove them all one by one. Okay, so we have our basic shape ready. Now select them all and we will increase the stroke to, let's say, 30. Okay, now you can see that we have these edges which are not in line with the circular shapes. So we can remove them by the shape builder tool again, but first we will have to expand this object. So go select them all, go to object and then expand. Now make sure you have fill and stroke both checked and click OK. So it will create the filled out shapes instead of strokes. Now select them all, then go to shape builder tool again. Now we'll remove these small parts which are coming out. You can click Alt again and then remove them. Here we have it. All right. Now it is good to go. Now we will also connect this all of them together, all these shapes. You can see that it is still not all connected. So go to shape builder tool and without clicking Alt, just drag to all of these shapes, which will connect them. All right, so we can see that our shape is ready. Now I will reduce the size of it. Then I will grab these two to apply the color. Now I'll be applying the gradient. I'll select the 45-degree angle. All right, now you can write down your brand name and the tagline. I've selected the Montserrat family. You can download the fonts from Google, and there you have it. Now we will also give background to this one. Select the rectangle tool and fill out all the canvas. Now go to selection tool again. Now you can click Control and the opening brackets. Keep on clicking it until you see all the shapes. So this will make the rectangle go behind all our logo and text. All right, so there you have it.